Hey there, what's up? In this video, I'll give you a quick guide on how you can buy Bitcoin with Changelly app. So, by the way, we're currently using a website here, but this is basically just the same for the app. So, what you will have to do once you open your app is you will just have to click this option right here, which is buy, and just go ahead and select that. And once you're here, you will just have to select the your currency. So for example, your currency is euro and you want to purchase Bitcoin, so you will just have to select that. Or yeah. Anyway, once you select Bitcoin, you will just have to enter the amount in fiat or crypto, and then you will just have to choose a payment method. And yeah, there are several payment methods here, so it's really up to you what you're gonna be choosing. And then you will just have to complete identity verification, KYC, if prompted, and then again you will just have to confirm your payment and wait for Bitcoin to appear in your Changelly wallet. And yeah, that's basically just it. I hope you found this video helpful, and if you did, please make sure to like and subscribe for more videos like this. Thank you and have an awesome day.